I am making vanilla cherry cupcakes. Now, just use a white box cake mix if you want. I just don't happen to have one on hand, and I really want to make this recipe today. So, I am making this out of my Dining on a Dime cookbook. Volume 1 on page 292, nope, 293. It is absolutely delicious. Now, here's something. So, I'm using expired ingredients, and I'm going to show you. Oh, no, I'm not. The sugar is not expired. Okay. My flour expired in 2023, and this is January of 2025. It tastes and smells just fine, so there's nothing wrong with it. So I'm going to be using it. I've got my baking powder. And my salt. So I put in the wrong amount of baking powder. And normally I get all my dry ingredients just kind of mixed together first. Now, like I said, a box cakes mix is perfectly fine. I just don't have one on hand. We're going to give you our Dining on a Dime cookbook ebook, volume number 1, free at livingonadime.com. Click on our shop, click on our ebooks, click on Dining on a Dime volume 1, add it to your cart. When you go to checkout, use the coupon code DINING1, and you will get our ebook absolutely free with no obligation and no strings attached. Visit us at livingonadime.com. Alright, I have this milk that I need to use up from my stockpile. So I'm using that. My 1 cup of milk. And my vanilla. And my eggs. Now, I am using 3 regular eggs instead of 4 egg whites, just because I don't feel like wasting egg whites. But here's the other caveat. I don't have my 3 eggs, so I'm going to use buttermilk as my substitute. You could use applesauce in there. Mayonnaise would work just fine. Mayonnaise is just eggs and butter, so just add a quarter milk, just add a quarter of a cup of any of those and replace 1 egg. Okay, now we're going to mix this. Oops, I forgot my oil. And half a cup of shortening. And I'm throwing in just a little bit of butter. This isn't even close to my original recipe. Oh, that's hilarious. Okay. All right, we got my cupcake liners there that I bought. I think I got 1,000 of these, or 2,000, I don't know. Whatever 3 packages of this is for $1 at a yard sale, so I will never run out of cupcake liners in my entire life. Now, here's a little tip. Take a scoop and you can precisely measure each cupcake. Also, here's another tip, and I didn't do it and I should have. You can get uncolored vanilla. So if you want a pure white cake, don't use this vanilla. Get the Baker's pure white vanilla, and it works really good. Tastes delicious. Okay, now, because my oven, or because my tray is a darker tray, this heats up a lot more, so I'm gonna turn my temperature from 350 down to 325, and we're gonna get these baked, okay? Ready? Okay, I have my cherry filling here. Now, this is, I think, 2 pounds that I bought at the Amish store. Yes, guys, the Amish do not make their own fillings. They just repackage stuff. Everybody thinks the Amish make all these homemade stuff. They don't. All they do is repackage. It's good marketing. Okay, so, and then this is my cupcake number 230. Wilton number 230 tip to fill my cupcakes. Yeah, the Amish are really good at repackaging and marketing. That's how they make most of their money. Now, I like them really full, so I go just until they start to crack on the sides. Oh, you know what this would taste like? Was a raspberry, like a raspberry zinger if I got raspberry filling.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, that would be delicious. I wonder if the Amish store has raspberry filling.
So would you mix a little with coconut and put it on the top?
Yes. Oh man, that would be so good.
Especially if it was like the old zingers before they made them healthy.
Yeah. And bite-sized, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so now had a request for cream cheese, so I was like, all right, if you wanted to make this cream cheese frosting even more creamier, you could take a brick of cream cheese and mix it with this if you want, but this is just cream cheese flavored. Okay, so now that I thought I had cherries, but I could not find the cherries. So, oops, hide the crumb there. So I'm going to put a dollop on top so that I know that it's cherry. Oh, that looks delicious. All right, now let me cut into it and I'll show you what it looks like. Cut into. That look good.
Yum.
Oh, yum.
You see the ones at the bakery that have a little hole in the side?
That's why.
That's exactly how they make it.
Yep.
There's nothing special they're doing that you're not doing, right?
Nope. Except they're making 3,000 of them. There's another variation. Fill it with your cherry, strawberry, raspberry filling. Then and let's try it one other way also. Oh man, I'm just getting all creative on this one. Oops. Boop. Okay. Spread that on top. Okay. Now we're going to take some coconut and oh, that looks so good. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love zingers. Man, if I had my choice between ho-ho ding dongs and zingers, I would take zingers any day. Oh my, look at that. Yum. Oh, my side fell off, but oh my goodness, that looks so good. Okay, you ready for a taste test?
Sure, I want you to taste it.
Okay. Pick yourself a piece of...
Look at that. Coconut on the side there. Mmm. Mmm. Wow, this is like a zinger.
Is it like a zinger?
It's like the way I remember them anyway.
Oh, man, yum. Except you still have another taste test.
Hmm?
Oh, yum. What dost thou thinkest?
Mmm. Oh, yum.
Cherry cream cheese.
It's very good.